Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ActiveCampaign AI to generate sequences and automate follow-ups, full guide step by step clearly. To set up ActiveCampaign AI to generate sequences and automate follow-ups, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Automations tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the Create an Automation button to start a new workflow. Choose the Start from Scratch option for a custom approach. Select Send Email to create an email that will be part of your sequence. Design your email using the intuitive editor. Once you're satisfied with the content, save the email design. After creating the email, set up additional actions in the workflow as needed, such as wait or if/else conditions. For AI-generated sequences, look for the Smart Content feature to personalize your emails further. Insert dynamic content based on user behavior or preferences to enhance engagement. Continue building out your automation by adding more emails or follow-up actions. Once your sequence is complete, review the entire workflow to ensure everything flows as intended. Click on the Save button to secure your changes. Activate your automation by toggling the active status to on. Test the automation by subscribing or filling out the form linked to the trigger. Monitor the results through the reporting dashboard to assess performance. Adjust your automation based on engagement metrics and feedback. Continuously refine your sequences to improve conversion rates over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.